Well, I made it back to Halifax today. I'm in Halifax, North Carolina, and I'm on the Underground Railroad trail where people had escaped down this river that I'm showing you called the Roanoke River, and they were heading into the Virginia areas. I'm in North Carolina, and they were headed toward places like Norfolk, Virginia, Suffolk, Virginia, Virginia Beach, trying to get the relatives to escape slavery. And they got some information signs out here. These are rewards. Look at that, $100. 1808, ain't that terrible? This is nothing to be proud of. It's very sad. I noticed they had a bench sitting over here. I don't think I'd want to sit on that bench and look at this river and reminisce about slavery. It's too heartbreaking. Trying to give you a little close-up of the river. I'm not going to go too, I'm on an incline and I'm scared of snakes. But I'm getting ready to take this trail. I'm going to drive it, so I'll be on and off. But we're going to read these signs, and y'all are welcome to pause your videos if you want to read the little replicas of the newspaper articles. But that's all we got because the museum's closed because of COVID. So I'm going to head back to my car and see what we got here. I made it back to my car. I'm gonna head down this trail. Any other time I'd be walking, but it's muddy, it's wet, and it's practically deserted. I guess because of COVID, the museum's closed. But this is actually the area in which runaway slaves took. I imagine it was nothing but woods back in the day and a river over to the right of me. Although it's beautiful now, it's a terrible story. Terrible part of history. Very sad. I see a sign. Get out and look at this. I love history, and I ain't gonna lie to you, a lot of history disappoints me. I'm really glad we're an evolved human species, but we still have problems today. It is beautiful though. There's a sad story attached to where I'm at. What is this? More rewards. This is $17.97. $25 reward for a runaway slave. Ain't that horrible? $40 reward. Right here in our backyard, all of this took place. I see another sign down there. I just couldn't imagine it. Women, children, men. Oh my God. It's just horrible. Trying to give you some kind of idea of this path I'm on. I'm sure there's more to it than where I'm at, but this is about as far as I'm going to go. But see what's on this side. them out in just a second. Ran away. $10 reward. $17.92. Another $25. I think that's going to be my last stop. There's one more sign down there. But, yeah, I thought I'd carry you guys on this little trail with me. And I really thought it was an exhibit, though, in the museum. I didn't know it was an actual place, you know, right here. But it is. And I've seen it firsthand. And it's a sad story attached to it. I hope you guys enjoyed it.